Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com is laying off more employees during the current crypto bear market. Here's the latest and what's next. What next? What happened after the laying off 5% of its workforce in June? Crypto.com is now planning another rounds of job cuts, according to a report for Decrypt. The report said the current layoffs are being kept quiet but will be much bigger than the 5% reduction in June. Crypto.com previously told employees that the 5% job cuts in June would be the last. They lied, a source told Decrypt. The source has been named as an animal's managerial employees of Crypto.com. Decrypt confirmed the layoffs with several other sources. The source told the crypto media outlet that the additional layoffs were communicated at an all-hands quarterly call last Friday. Crypto.com may not publicly announce the job cuts, according to the report. Leadership expressed that they had no intention of going public. Top management is unlikely to do an announcement. A percent of employees or number could not be identified by source but was said to be much bigger than the first one. The business of cutting down to bare minimum to survive the likely long bear market internal initiatives are about trying to save every penny. While June job cuts primarily concentrated on customer service and growth roles, the last round of job cuts is said to be more critical roles like the company's exchange, up and wallet. We announced reduction in June, and since that time we have optimized our workforce to align with current external economic headwinds, a Crypto.com spokesperson told Crypt. Relating how to buy Crypto.com coin CRO made demand to blame to some outside the world of cryptocurrency. Crypto.com might be best known for its commercial starring actor Matt Damon, highlighting how fortune favors the brave. Crypto.com spent a report $1 million on its advertising campaign that saw the Damon ad get heavy rotation on television and used elsewhere. The commercial was also played during Super Bowl LVI on NBC, a unit of Comcast Corporation, Nasdaq CMCSA. In February, Super Bowl commercial came with a cost of $605 million for a 30-second slot. The 2022 Super Bowl was nicknamed by some as Crypto Bowl, with a handful of cryptocurrency companies placing big bets on commercials during the games and promotion around the big game. Some have already started to point out the similarities of the Crypto Bowl to the 2000 Super Bowl, named the .com Super Bowl. The Crypto Bowl saw companies spend lots of money on Super Bowl commercial only to face job cuts on potentially failing to exist down the road. Many of companies that advertised in the 2000 Super Bowl no longer exist, with some folding shortly after the big game. Internet companies account for around 20% of the advertisements during the 2000 Super Bowl with a cost $2.2 million for 30-second time slot. Along with heavy advertising spend, Crypto.com has also placed large bets on sports related sponsorship, a move that will likely come into question with the pending job cuts. The company signed a 20-year, $700 million deal for the naming rights to the Staples Center in California, home of the Los Angeles Lakers, Los Angeles Clippers, LA Kings, and Los Angeles Sparks. Crypto.com also has sponsorship for Formula One, NASDAQ, FWONA, NASDAQ, FWONK, several soccer teams, and an upcoming deal with the 2022 World Cup in Qatar. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.